Hello kids, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well and I hope everyone has seen my previous videos. So I'm going to tell you another new story of Panchatantra and the title of the story is The Four Friends and Hunter. The Four Friends and the Hunter. Long ago, there lived three friends in a jungle. They were a deer, a crow and a mouse. They used to spend their time together, played and even ate together. One day a turtle came to them and said, I also want to join your company and become your friends. I am all alone. You are most welcome, said the crow, but what about your safety? There are many hunters around and they visit this jungle regularly. If any hunters comes, we will be quick to find refuge, but how will we save yourself? That's the reason why I want to join your group, said the turtle. I will feel safer with you. No sooner had they talked about it, that a hunter appeared on the scene. Seeing the hunter, the deer darted away. The crow flew in the sky. The mouse ran into a hole. The turtle tried to crawl away first, but it was caught by the hunter. The hunter tied him up in the net. Though he was sad to lose the deer, but he thought it was better to feast on the turtle rather than to go on an empty stomach. The three friends became worried on seeing the turtle trapped by the hunter. They sat together to think of some plan to free him from the hunter's snare. The crow flew high up in the sky and spotted the hunter walking along the river bank. It informed the deer, who ran ahead of the hunter unnoticed. They lay down on his path as if dead. The hunter saw the deer from a distance lying on the ground. He was very happy to have found it again. Now I will have a good feast on it and sell its beautiful skin in the market, thought the hunter to himself. He put down the turtle onto the ground and ran to pick up the deer. In the meantime, as planned, the rat gnawed through the net and freed the turtle. The turtle hurriedly crawled away in the river. Unaware of the plot, the hunter went to fetch the deer. But to his surprise, when he reached the deer, it suddenly sprang up to life and darted away in the jungle. Before he could understand anything, the deer had already vanished into the forest. Dejected, the hunter turned back to collect the turtle he had left behind on the ground in the snare. But the snare nibbled and the turtle was missing. For a moment the hunter thought that he was dreaming. But the damaged snare lying on the ground was proof enough to confirm that he was very much awake. And he was complete to believe that some evil powers were at play. The hunters got frightened on account of this happiness and ran out of the jungle. The four friends started living happily together. Moral: unity can save us even in the most trying times. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share, and to be the first person to watch our video, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for finding notification. So children, bye bye. I will meet again next video.